Hello, everyone. Welcome back to today's English practice session. Do you want to improve your English every single day, but feel busy or confused about where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple daily English learning routine that takes only 10 minutes a day. Yes, just 10 minutes. If you follow this routine every day, your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence will slowly improve. So let's begin today's 10-minute English learning routine. Minute 1. Positive English mindset. First, relax your mind. Many people think English is difficult, but English becomes easy when you practice every day. Say these sentences with me. I can learn English. I will improve every day. Mistakes help me learn. I am becoming more confident. Very good. Remember, confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Minute 2. Learn 5 daily words. Now let's learn 5 useful English words. 1. Routine, meaning something you do every day. Example, my morning routine starts at 6 a.m. 2. Improve, meaning to become better. Example, I want to improve my English speaking skills. 3. Practice, meaning to repeat something to become better. Example, I practice English every night. 4. Confident, meaning feeling sure about yourself. Example, she speaks English confidently. 5. Habit, meaning something you do regularly. Example, reading is a good habit. Now repeat all the words again. Routine, improve, practice. Confident, habit. Excellent. Minute 3. Speak simple sentences. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I am learning English every day. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. I watch English videos daily. I am not afraid of mistakes. English is becoming easier for me. Great job. Speaking daily is the secret to fluency. Minute 4. Listening practice. Listening is very important. Listen carefully and repeat. Today I woke up early. I drank a cup of tea and started my day with English practice. I listened to a short podcast and learned new words. Now I feel motivated and happy. Now try to say it again by yourself. Don't worry if you cannot say everything perfectly. Just keep practicing. Minute 5. Daily conversation practice. Imagine you are talking to a friend. Practice this conversation. Conversation person. A. Hello, how are you today? Person B. I'm good. I am practicing English right now. Person A. That's great. How long do you practice daily? Person B. I practice for at least 10 minutes every day. Person A. Amazing. Consistency is very important. Person B. Yes. Small daily practice gives big results. Wonderful. Try to practice conversations loudly. Minute 6. Think in English. Now let's train your brain to think in English. Look around your room and say simple English sentences. For example, the fan is moving. My phone is on the table. I am sitting on a chair. The weather is nice today. I feel energetic. This is a powerful habit. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more naturally. Minute 7. Pronunciation practice. Now, let's improve pronunciation. Repeat these words carefully. Comfortable, beautiful. Vegetable. Important, understand. Now repeat these sentences. English pronunciation becomes better with practice. I speak slowly and clearly. I enjoy learning English every day. Excellent work. Minute 8. Quick grammar practice. Let's learn one simple grammar rule. Present, continuous tense. We use it for actions happening now. Structure, subject plus, am, slash is, slash, are plus verb, plus yang. Examples, I am studying English. She is watching a video. They are practicing speaking. Now make your own sentence. Very good. Minute 9. Motivation time. Sometimes learning English feels slow, but remember this. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. You do not need to learn everything in one day. You just need to practice every day. Even 10 minutes daily can change your English in a few months. Never stop practicing. Never stop believing in yourself. You're improving, step by step. Minute 10, final daily challenge. Now here is your daily English challenge. After this video, speak English for 2 minutes. Learn 5 new words. Watch one short English video. Read something in English. Think in English before sleeping. If you do this every day, your English will become stronger and more natural. Ending. Thank you for joining today's English learning routine. Remember, small daily practice creates big improvement. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing, and most importantly, never be afraid to use English. See you in the next practice session. Bye and take care.